Hey, what's up everyone? It is Thais here. So I will be doing a tutorial on my natural hair doing these twisted Bantu knots. And I already did the first section of my hair off camera, so I will be showing you guys how I do the remainder of my hair. So make sure you guys give this video a rating and subscribe for weekly videos. So I am using the Miche Quenched twisting butter. This butter is very moisturizing. It will leave you with hydrated hair for days, and it just makes the style last longer and it elongates my hair. So it is perfect for this hairstyle. So make sure you guys check out Miche products down below in the description and use my coupon code to save money on your purchase. So after using the butter, I sealed in with the Miche polish hair oil, and this is how easily my hair detangles. This stuff is amazing. It just gives me amazing slip whenever I use this butter, especially with the oil on top. Amazing. So right now I am twisting my hair, and I find that this method is much more easier and faster for me to do with my Bantu knots. The first time I did it, I didn't twist it and it took a longer time. So this is much more easier. You just twist your hair straight to the bottom. And you use your other hand to hold that Bantu knot down and wrap that hair around itself while twirling it. And this is how my Bantu knot looks. It's very simple and easy, guys. And I am repeating that same thing on my hair. I apply some of the twisting butter to my hair first, and then I seal in with an oil after that. And make sure that you are heavily moisturizing your hair. And look at that slip. Yes, I love a great moisturizer before I style my hair, especially when I'm going to be protective style, because this hairstyle does double as a protective style and a low manipulation hairstyle. I want my edges to lay a bit sleek, so I am taking some edge control to apply to the front area of my hair. So in this video, I did do 4 Bantu knots, but the following morning, I wasn't really feeling the 4 in the morning, so I went ahead and did 5 triangular parts instead, which you will see in an upcoming clip. And I am repeating that same thing, twisting the hair first and then doing my Bantu knot. And when I am finished, I tie my hair down with a satin scarf. This allows my Bantu knots to not move while I'm sleeping and allows them to stay intact. So after doing this hairstyle, I did wear it in as a protective style for a few days. As you can see right here, my hair is still moisturized. I have been wearing it for about 4 days like this, and I got a lot of compliments and I really love it. And after wearing it in for a few days, of course, and just wanting to spice up my hair and go for a different look, I am taking down those Bantu knots. So I just pull them out to take them down. They're very simple to take down. And then I carefully separate them and fluff the curls. And as you can see, my hair is still super moisturized even days after leaving these Bantu knots in. That's the power of using great products that's actually going to moisturize your hair beyond 1 day. This is about 4 days later, and look at that sheen. I wish you guys can feel how soft my hair is. My hair is super soft. As you can see, it's nice and fluffy. And these are the curls that the Bantu knot created. So I'm just adding a bit more oil to my hair just to get a bit more sheen, even though I really didn't need it. It's just a habit to add oil to my hair before I style it. And now I will be doing my FROhawk. So I am taking my little pick and just getting rid of the harsh parts in my hair so that it can blend seamlessly. And I'm just separating those curls because I want a nice natural fluffy fro in the middle. And I'm just sleeking back the sides and pinning them down. And I brush up the back. And now I'm taking my upzing to pull that hair up into a high puff so that I can have like a half FROhawk. And you just adjust the clip. I'm pulling it up a bit more so that it can pull the edges back or hold the edges back. And I'm doing the same thing on the opposite side. And this is the end result of my nice, beautiful half curly FROhawk. So I love the 2-in-1 hairstyle that Bantu knots give me. I definitely will revisit this, and this will definitely be a staple for me. This is the end. Make sure that you guys subscribe for weekly videos. Give this video a rating, and don't forget to check out Miche hair products down below in the description and use my coupon code to save some money.